Good morning, you're Vonzel Hall. And in 24-1747, Mr. Hall is charged with murder. And what is the announcement? Okay. Okay. All right, so I'll do one more reset. Y'all can work on that. If there's anything that you can get, obviously, just got Mr. Matuska and Mr. Hall. Mr. Matuska will be out there, I'm sure, to visit with you once he gets everything to see what y'all want to do at the next board meeting, okay? All right, you can go back with the payroll. Thank you. Good morning. You're Anthony Williams. And Mr. Rojas, will your client waive the formal reading of the indictment? Mr. Williams, in cause number 240401, you're charged with the third-degree felony offense of evading arrest or detention with the use of a vehicle from December 7th of 2023. How do you plead to that charge? Are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily? And are you pleading guilty because you actually did what they charged you? I have here on the computer some documents that have your signature on them that the state has marked as exhibit number 1. Before you signed these, did you go over them with Mr. Rose? And do you fully understand them? And do you understand, if I follow the agreement that you've made with the district attorney, that you'll be waiving or giving up any right to appeal? And it looks like the agreement...
This is a classic plea arrangement. Instead of serving 10 years behind bars, Williams gets probation. But here's the catch. One wrong move, he could be staring at the full prison term. Probation isn't freedom.
It's for a 10-year term in prison, but that would be probated. You'd be on probation for 7 years. There's a $1,000 fine, and you would be required to follow all of the rules and conditions of probation. Is that your understanding? Also, do you understand, if you're not a U.S. citizen, that a plea of guilty or no contest may result in your deportation, exclusion from admission to the country, or denial of naturalization under federal law? Sir, state tenders number 1. It's admitted. Is there any evidence Mr. Williams is not? All right, so I'm going to find that you entered the plea of guilty freely and voluntarily. Find that you're mentally competent and you understand the nature and the consequences of that plea. Find sufficient evidence to find you guilty. However, I'm going to reset your case for sentencing so that I can get a pre-sentence report done. That'll give me more information about you and your case, and then we'll come back at a later date for sentencing. You need to stop and talk to probation on your way out of the courtroom today so they can start the report, and she's sitting at that desk right in this. All right, we'll see you back at sentencing. Yes, sir. Mr. Rojas, you have Theren Jackson. Good morning, you're Theren Jackson. And Mr. Jackson was previously in court, entered pleas of true to counts 1 through 5 in each of his motion to revoke unadjudicated probations, on probation for aggravated robbery. Actually, 3 cases. An aggravated robbery and then 2 aggravated assaults with deadly weapons. In cause numbers 24-1324, 1323, and 0803. I've received the updated pre-sentence report. This was unagreed, and has everyone had an opportunity to receive that report? Are there any additions or corrections to that report? All right, Mr. Rojas, you may proceed.
Yes, Mr. Jackson recognized the law for this he felt that the main problem is being able to see the homelessness that lack of transportation that he's got so many families and the idea that when he was incarceration because he didn't have a place to live, didn't have any transportation, nothing to submersion partner. He's been on probation for such a short period of time that he's been unable to get the benefit of the resource probation that call. I understand that's kind of true. Not extending probation. But again, I think that also includes the homelessness and lack of transportation and mental health. He is trying to get help for himself. He does more things. Very contact from Enrique Mars at the arrest in probation. He tells me he has he does what he's doing a lot. The hopeful is the job man working for barbecue restaurant.
Hold on.
And of course, that all is going to depend on him actually going through probation. Make sure he does the probation before we go out. Yeah. I have to do
This is where things turn emotional. Jackson admits failure, blames homelessness, and begs for a second chance. But here's the tension. Judges hear these pleas all the time. The real question...
Go ahead.
Hello, my name is I'm right here with mercy. I started my probation couple of weeks ago. The thing I had on probation was university in Berkeley. I ended up the cell phone and replacement for it. We found out that I was on probation. She got help. I didn't have she got placed. I was saying, same thing. She tried refuge or unpopular like thing that I did. You see, I was good when I got cases that I wasn't. You know, things that they do all fighting like that. But you need to do it one night for a time. If no fertilizer, seeing how concrete and how concrete can move on. Don't have any weapons for concentration. I got the jail leaking. Concentration. Important, you know how they look out of jail, you know what I'm saying, like 2 o'clock. It was right so bad, yeah, I got nowhere to go. So, I walked, I waited till it stopped raining, and it was unbetter, you know, and I walked people, I walked to the probation office, and I told them how I was people about she's gonna be having to do all year to sign. So trying to hit my he got me kind of in school and late he got in hot Los Angeles. I had booked a hotel and I ran out of money, but it was all downhill. You can find any way for me to go keep back on probation. I promise I'm going to keep the right pay. You know, I help everybody play on the next year. But it takes a lot to go back to yeah. And I'm trying to stay out of jail. It's like going up on for more time.
Don't they know?
Well, they're not looking for the situation. I don't think it's something that it's saying how people want to go. Sorry, and you want to give you the opportunity of probation. Okay, so I'll see for what we have for and focus on that. Working with her, they're both talking about this. She has gone every day on, just trying to bring it in, they these are the reasons. You recognize, how do they just get a finer? Just, I suggest we grab a kitchen here. This would be just for business operation. She does not understand it. She does not know what this is. For business here, for work. This, you can't hire this.
There's doesn't probably haven't even had enough time to know. I guess my question, Ms. Core, would be if I continue him on probation, would something like cognitive trying to higher theft be helpful, or that, or either special needs safety? Which one do you think would be more appropriate to help him get a good start for you? Okay. Great. I mean, Mr. Jackson, everybody wants you to be successful, but you're the only one that can make that happen. You have all the resources. Core wants to help you. Probation has all kinds of things to help you, but they're not going to come. She's not going to come find you. So, if I give you this opportunity today, you're going to go get some help in custody. And when you're out, though, and when you're finished with that treatment, it's going to be your responsibility to go where you're supposed to go, to let her know where you're living, and she's not going to go try to find you. You don't show up, then you're going to be back in here, and we will not be having these conversations. Today, I could send you to prison for the rest of your life for violating your probation. Right now, today, for life, 50 years, 30 years, 20 years. An aggravated robbery and 2 aggravated assaults with deadly weapons. You should probably be going to prison. So you need to understand that this is it. There's no second chance. This is your chance. Alright? So I'm going to find that you entered your pleas of true to counts 1 through 5 in all 3 cases, freely and voluntarily. Find those counts true. Find sufficient evidence in each case to revoke your probations and find you guilty, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to continue your probations in each of your cases. I'm going to order in each of your cases that you enter and successfully complete the special needs track of safety. That's going to give you all kinds of help to make sure when you get out, you're ready to go, and you'll be making better decisions. You won't have any issues, hopefully, with regard to any type of drug or alcohol abuse, and you will also have aftercare, a place to live, and things like that. So you're going to have what you need, and it's going to be up to you. All right. Good luck to you, sir. You can go back with the bailiff. Thank you, Shore. Good morning. Are you Cody Dent? And Mr. Dent is on probation in 2 cases, 13-17772 and 22-41052 for the offenses of obstruction or retaliation and theft of property. Those both have motion to revoke pending. And then there is a new allegation or new indictment, new cause number 250807 of burglary of a building. And Mr. Samuel,
Yeah, I'm here. I went out and visited with them and discussed with them, and I've also spoken with them this morning. And as a result of my evaluation and talking with them, I believe that it's very that someone's going to give a professional evaluation. You realize that he's on probation. I'm really going to guarantee you for this is our first city now here now struggle, but I think more relationship was so and sketch for a bond here in a later date if possible. We believe that those will be going to go with Jerry Talk.
So it's set for bond hearing today on those motions, but you want some time to get up to speed on that other case. You want me to put that off? Just hold it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Next week, I'd like to put it around that right now there is no one.
Right.
He needs this.
Okay. An evaluation won't happen in a week.
I understand.
Okay. So you still think that give you a week to get up to speed. bond hearing next week,
Right.
and then I'll look at your motion for the evaluation.
Yeah. 2 years. That's all. Right.
Okay. We'll reset it. Oh, yeah. We're good. Okay. We'll reset it for 1 week for a bond hearing on those 2 motions.
Right.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Good morning. Are you Justin Franklin?
Yes.
And in cause number 250514, Mr. Franklin's charged with aggravated robbery. Mr. Lewis, what is the announcement? Yes, ma'am, of course. Please call the name Kayla Davis, please. Good morning, ma'am. Are you Kayla Davis? Ms. Malfino, do you need some time maybe to visit with her, or do you want to go ahead? Okay. Ms. Davis, would you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm the testimony you'll give in this hearing will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God? Thank you. Go ahead.
January. You know what we're hearing about today, right? Aggravated robbery and the election committed against you and you killed, right? And we held you all at gunpoint and sort of broke the law, right? Did you tell the police that that's what happened? No, ma'am. So, that's what the office the jury was. That was the great truth. You know, an indictment for aggravated robbery. Were you saying enough to go to the court today without help? Yeah. And you have many times called my office asking if the case be dropped, correct? Yeah. Come in as non-prosecution affidavit. Called saying that this did not happen and you are not going to walk. That's correct. Are you here as Mr. Franklin? Are you saying anything? No. And you understand that if Satan's not proceed with it, taking matters into your own. Yes, I do. To respect to your saying. Yes, I do. And that's what you want me to do. Yes. And you were asking. Just want to allow me to represent.
Fine. Alright, you can step back.
Unbelievable twist. The alleged victim is now his wife, and she's asking to drop the case. Viewers, what do you think? Is this love, loyalty, or fear? Judges tread carefully here, because dismissing a case like this to mean history repeats itself.
The judge, for the record, is commenting. Obviously, for sex, obviously, for where experiences you and I both have in the past. I think there's something in this. She's obviously not worth a lot of it. She's not now, so let me decide. Another point of permission, I don't actually see it, so I just want to make sure all that will come back. Just what's in order to happen.
Alright, if that comes through based on all of that, I don't know how you can do anything else. So I'll sign that. Mr. Franklin, I'm not sure what, if anything, happened. My thought is something did happen. Hang on, just let me talk, okay? Don't talk yourself out of this. Because here's what can happen. It's not easy, but it is possible to go forward with cases without complaining. So whatever happened needs to not happen again. You need to get a grip on whatever anger, whatever issues you have. If you've got someone here that cares about you and you want to be a part of their life, it's not what you do to people that you love. And it's definitely not what you do where they're children. Do you understand? Alright, go back with the vote. Yes, ma'am.